and both the Han and Roman empires, the government supports the development and use of technology. After that general statement, you need to tell me what documents you would use. This is your first sentence in your body paragraph. So what documents did we agree upon the government supporting?
Technology improving lives. So
Yeah, no, the first government supports technology, government officials. Okay, 1, what?
2,
2.
4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, so this would be your first sentence in your body paragraph. It's telling me what your group is, and then you lay out what documents belong in that group. So each body paragraph needs to start off with what your group looks like. Yes, sir?
Say we miss one of those groups, and say we put like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Oh, you missed one of the docs?
Yeah, would you get in trouble?
No.
Or would you get like points off?
No. As long as you have 2 documents together to prove this thing, that considers it a group. Now, somewhere, say you forgot to include Doc 7. As long as you bring up Doc 7 again in another paragraph, you're set. If you forget Doc 7 altogether, that's when you start losing points. Okay? It doesn't have to be up here, okay? But it needs to be somewhere else. You guys understand what we're saying there?
Would listing more get you like more points?
No. It's just you're using them. As soon as I see all these, I would say they understand what these documents are saying and give you kind of the understands point. So the more times you throw them into groups and stuff, the higher chances you have to prove that you understand the docs. Okay? So you start off the paragraph with, in both the Han and Roman empires, the government supports the development and use of technology. Docs 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 all say that. Then, your next sentence, you could follow up with what we just did. Okay? Water technology is important in the Han dynasty and supported by government officials. Doc 1. The Han government official stresses the government control and hierarchy to ensure quality in water technology because he is part of the Han government. Okay? So we've already kind of made your first 3 sentences of your second body paragraph. Then you would follow up with what some of these other docs talk about. Then you could talk about Doc 2, okay, or you could talk about Doc 6. If in this paragraph all you do is talk about all of these documents, you're going to run out of time and not be able to do the other documents. So I would make sure you include Han, make sure you include Rome, do a couple of them, and then if you're going to use some of these in other paragraphs, leave those for the later paragraphs. Do you guys understand what I'm saying by that? Okay, so let's talk about what our next paragraph would be. What did we decide our group would be for this next one? Okay, technology improving lives. So this is body paragraph 3. Technology improving lives. So you would start off this paragraph with, in both the Roman and Han empires, technology improved the lives of the people within the empire. Okay, so now you're giving me your blanket statement of what your group is. Everybody hear that. I'll say it again, and you can write it down if you want. In both the Rome and Han empires, technology is going to improve the lives of the people within the empire. Okay? At the end of that sentence, you need to now throw in what documents. So what documents did we agree upon for technology improving lives? What did we say?
3, 4, 6, and 8.
4, 6, 8. So at the end of that sentence, you will then say docs 3, 4, 6, and 8. Which one of these documents do you want to practice writing with for this paragraph? Pick one. 6. Okay. Oh, doc 6 is the roads, right? Piping the roads. So, what would we say about the roads? Okay. The roads are going to help them, all that kind of stuff. So let's say in the Roman Empire, because we need to say where we're talking about. Roman Empire, I don't think a comma goes there. Roads. Communication, transportation, and trade. Wow, I did not spell that right. Communication. So, your first blanket sentence would be, in both the Roman Han empires, technology improves the lives of the people within the empire. In the Roman Empire, roads help improve communication, transportation, and trade. Then at the end, what do we need to do?
Document.
Okay, and what doc is this?
6.
6. Okay? In the Roman Empire, roads help improve communication, transportation, and trade. Document 6. And then you could go into details here. You could say something about the Roman, let's see, official described, what did he talk about with the roads? Okay, the quality, and what else did he say about the roads? Not only were they functional, but what? Beautiful. How functional the Roman official described how functional and beautiful the Roman roads were. So it's kind of giving me more evidence. You said that you understood the documents. Now you're proving to me more about this. And then you could follow up with something about the point of view. Why he's saying this. Why would this guy say this? What did we say? Why did he have this perspective that he did? Brandon?
Well, I knew it and I forgot. Wasn't he one of the people who... Oh, because it was Emperor...
No, darling, that's later on. So the fact that he is talking about another political leader. So the Roman official describes how functional and beautiful the Roman roads were. Here, let's make this... Oh, poop. What just happened? Oh, no. Did I lose it? Oh, okay, there it is, sorry. Functional and beautiful the Roman roads were because another political leader and you can throw this Gracious guy in here. The Roman official described how functional and beautiful the Roman roads were because another political leader, Gracious, was the one who developed them. Okay? So it's kind of telling me a little bit, this isn't the best point of view. I think your Confucianism ones are going to be the easiest ones for the point of view. Okay, now we need to talk about what your additional document would look like. Can I flip off of this? Yeah? Okay, your additional document. Who did we not hear from? Whose voice was not being represented? Tommy? The commoners. Okay, so did everybody figure that out for your additional document? Your additional document, you need to tell me specifically which empire you're going to have these people from. Okay, so you need to say whether they're from Rome or from Han. Pick one. Which one?
Rome.
Rome. Okay, so you would specifically say another document from a Roman commoner. And then you would specifically tell me what? Like a quote. would prove? What would a Roman commoner prove? Okay, that they constructed the technology and the upper class looks down upon them, something like that. Hold on. So you would put this in one of your body paragraphs. Do you guys have questions? Because I'm going to have you write this on Monday.
You don't have to expand on every document. Just list all of them and then expand
Yes. In your body paragraphs, listen guys, you need to list off your groupings, as we did, and then you need to expand upon them somewhere in the essay. You don't have to expand on Doc 7 in every paragraph. If you're doing Doc 7 in the second to last paragraph, you're good. You guys can do multiple additional documents, so I would throw another one from Han Commoner in there as well. Any other questions? Okay, this is going to be on Monday. You can use your packets on Monday, and that is it. Go on. Turn this off.